Reports that 70% of pre-war oil exports through the Strait of Hormuz has been restored by Qatar and Kuwait. As we know, if these Arab countries do not sell their oil, that's the end of their economies. There is such a thing as a shadow fleet trying to go through the areas of the Strait without transponders, and if they go through and do their work, they're successful. So Qatar and Kuwait managed to increase their crude oil exports using the Strait of Hormuz to 70% of what it was before the Iran war started. They followed the United Arab Emirates in shuttling oil through choke points. They used ship-to-ship transfers in the Gulf of Oman. This is according to Bloomberg reports. Now, before the Iran conflict, Qatar and Kuwait together exported about 2 million barrels every single day of crude oil through the Strait of Hormuz. They do not have other ways of getting their oil out, whereas Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates do. So they struggle to ship oil out of the Persian Gulf in the first few months of the conflict. Around June, Kuwait and Qatar shuttled their crude out of Hormuz, offering it for transfers using the Gulf of Oman. So the increasing oil volumes from these two countries add to barrels that Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates have been sneaking through the Strait of Hormuz, bypassing this since the start of the war. United Arab Emirates boosted its oil exports pre-crisis as early as June. It kept the crude through the Strait of Hormuz and through other areas, shuttling and shuttling crude through choke points, loading it on larger oil vessels out of the strait, and it was using this of its onshore pipeline to ship crude from west to east of the country, bypassing this way the Strait of Hormuz. Now, Saudi Arabia also started offering ship-to-ship transfers of crude oil outside Hormuz. It's been using the Red Sea, though, so it's just on the other side of the Arabian Peninsula. And because of the shuttle service and dark activity, oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz have now risen to about 7 to 8 million barrels per day, up from 4 million barrels per day in the middle of July. This is again according to Bloomberg reports. And of course, they were going under the radar, turning off all their transponders, trying to stay dark in order to give crude oil to the rest of the world. And they use creative solutions, of course, because of the threats of the Iranian mines and the Iranian drones in the Strait of Hormuz, and of course the Houthis in the Red Sea. So they were helping get oil into the world in this way, dark and ship-to-ship transfers. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.